What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to do Sabering Triangle, which looks like this. So Sabering Triangle is a sabering dismount to a green triangle, to a whip and then a green triangle. So we're going to get into that now. I do have a whole video about sabering, so if you like this sabering move, check out the Sabering Popcast video to learn more sabering tricks. Okay, so sabering starts off with a trapeze. I'm going to take my throw hand and put the string right below my pinky, just like that, just to kind of move it out of the way. Then I'm going to make a gun with this hand, so the string's coming out there. So I'm going to trapeze. What I'm going to then do is take this gun, put this finger under my other hand and behind. So I'm going, basically I want to put the finger right here, like this, and then I'm going to slide towards my throw hand, and the yo-yo will dismount. That's sabering. Sabering is a dismount. So we're going to go boop, slide. You see, by keeping that pinky there, it kind of wants the string to separate. So you sort of have the string reject as it gets off there. The whole idea is that you're sliding a trapeze and then it falls off. As it does that, you're just going to swing the yo-yo back onto both strings, and then you're going to let go of your free hand as you go up, and you're going to hook. You're going to grab this string, and this slack is going to hit the yo-yo in a whip. So that's all going to look like this. Sabering, back, catch. You want this back string to be the one hitting that yo-yo. And if you do it right, you should have this twist right here, and that's going to set us up for the next thing. So if you notice, my pointer hand is pointing towards me, like all my fingers are kind of like, I guess the back of my hand is away, right? So I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to put it forward, kind of twisting that string more. I'm going to open it up just a little bit with my thumb, so I'm just putting my thumb in here. And now I want to hit this string. I want the yo-yo to mount on that string. So I go forward, open, this finger goes in, and I'm just going to hop the yo-yo onto that string and take my finger out, and there's our green triangle. Trapeze, sabering, whip. I'm going to take this pointer finger, point it forward, and so I'm going to go boop, open it up just a little bit. I want to hit this one string, so I put my finger in, and I'm just going to hop the yo-yo over my pointer finger, just kind of doing a roll over the finger, and then I take my finger out and I've got a trapeze, or a triangle. Now there's a little bit of a flair I like to do when I do that triangle reveal. I like to go here, and then I like to, I actually have the triangle here, but I'm still kind of closed up a little bit, but this is the triangle. What I actually like to do is point my finger back towards me again, this throw hand finger, point it towards me, and I'm just going to do one barrel roll and then undercut. And at the end, I'm going to dismount the yo-yo forward to come out of that knot and just catch it on the trapeze. So all together with style and flow, it's going to look like this. Thanks for watching, and again, check out that Popcast video all about sabering. There's a lot more moves. And hey, check out my shirts on Threadless, docpop.threadless.com. You can pick up a Popcast or my other yo-yo shirts there as well. Thanks.